Cakap lah.
Oh, Jimmy.
Bersih tangan tu tiap hari.
Hello guys, welcome back to
Sembang Karcep episode
Berapa nih?
5.
You keep going, you.
Bising lah motor. Aish. I think the topic for today is let's talk about mistake. Any mistake that we did is good for something.
Any mistake?
Yeah, I mean like in your life, mesti kau pernah buat like mistakes, right? So adakah that mistakes give you learn something or get something that you can
Belajar. from
yes
it.
or
You can
something
learn
like
from it.
yes motivate you kan?
Loki, I don't know though. Like, wait, I have to fikir balik.
Yeah. Sekejap, scrolling through my archives.
I know lah, like everybody have mistakes, right?
Yeah.
Tapi mungkin sometimes not every mistakes yang boleh membuatkan everyone aware or motivate them. And generally, every mistake that everyone, like every person experiencing mesti
Ada pengajarannya.
Yes,
Oh.
there are meaning inside.
They have meaning inside. Okay, siapa mau start dulu?
Siapa
Ni
yang
lang-
dulu?
Gentleman first lah.
okay.
Gap dulu.
We-
Ladies first mah, mau tak?
Saya tengah fikir.
This is like a trick question.
Yeah, it's very tricky.
Ada banyak tapi nak boleh fikir apa satu.
Too many mistakes.
Yeah.
Okay lah, let me start first.
Okay.
Okay, for me, since you are student now, and in exams, mesti ada like lecturers that mesti dia akan cakap, don't do like this, don't do like that, or your writing is wrong, or something like your format is not suitable for this one. So in that kind of situation kan, on your next exam kau akan berubah and get a good results. Kan? Kamu tidak sedekah benda tu?
I mean, yeah,
Sometimes, but yeah, sometimes we aware, sometimes we not aware about that kind of things kan.
Betul.
So for me macam okay, sometimes lecturer dia akan cakap, Kelvin nanti exam jangan buat macam ni okay, so I will aware that okay, I need to change in that kind of like my writing, my answering format kan.
Betul.
Okay.
Okay. Now you mentioning about students' life. Okay. Milan mau dulu kah?
You can go first.
Okay. Okay.
Because I have a lot of answer, man. I just don't know which one to say first.
Okay, never mind, just say it.
Okay. One mistake that I can think of that I really get a good that I can learn from it is actually apa? When basically student time lah. Kan dulu kita kan SEM 1 dulu kan kita anda berapa macam apa? Bagi saya time tu saya tidak berapa aktif, so saya macam kurang kenal banyak orang lah. But like okay, in context kan, due to my inactiveness I know less people. Begitu. So that's one mistake that I actually did. It's more, by the way. So basically, due to my inactiveness, I know less people. Like I started to be active with time, and then after that, I come to realize when during SEM 1 macam, alah, ini tempat baru ini, kenapa saya tidak aktif pula? Then mulalah SEM 2 macam semakin aktif sudah. Because last time SEM 1 I was actually a closed door or window, whatever.
Introvert!
Yeah, introvert.
Last time I was.
For real.
Yes. And then barulah macam I only know my classmates around saya itu siapa. I didn't bother to like expand my social circle like outside my classmates.
So actually kau tidak mau berkawan lah dengan saya, dengan Kelvin?
Bukan, that's not what I meant.
Oh my God.
I mean, I want to approach you
Yes,
guys. I want to approach you guys when during SEM 1. Tapi it seems like, I mean, like, oh, I'm probably I'm still a newbie in this course, so I don't want to be like too, how do I say, too open, and due to my openness, I might be agitating people. So
Like
that's
we know
one
who.
mistake.
We know.
Korek hidung dulu.
Okay, Milan pula. How about you? I have something like I want to add on additional.
Boleh je
But never mind.
like bergilir-gilir.
Never mind.
Probably is not trying to save money. Like since forever, ever, especially like when you're a uni student, right? Not saving money is like the worst thing you can do, you know.
Honestly, yeah, that's true.
Because like you should always have emergency money, gila. Especially kalau time hujung bulan kan, Maggie pun tak mampu
Oh,
Then it's like, oh, and then because I was working kan back then. Tapi biasalah, that time it's like, okay, I have my own like adult money. Aduh, beli ni, beli tu. Last pun bukan ya pakai, bukan ya tahan. So it's like, it's kind of wasteful, and it's like, why I never tried to save money from before, like
what?
from back then.
Uh-huh.
Cuma lah kalau I save money until now, I buy already the iPhone 17 gila.
Yeah, if.
Yeah,
So that is your
if.
mistake that you didn't doing savings.
Yeah, gila.
Yeah. But for me kan, sometimes okay, this one is the additional one okay? Like okay, sometimes yourself, you have a lot of mistake macam okay, we are human, we have feelings, we have this kind of emotions and a lot of things kan. For me, if someone kalau dia ego kuat pun itu pun satu mistake. Macam ego lah.
It's macam,
Yeah, like who?
Okay, I aware that sometimes when my ego is higher than I mean like macam okay, sometimes small thing pun saya akan ego, faham tak? So macam for me, kenapa saya nak ego? Even that thing can solve in a short period. Kan?
You know,
yeah, betul.
Adakah saya yang silap ataupun orang lain yang silap?
you know.
Macam tu. So for me, ego tu mungkin boleh turunkan. I mean siapa-siapa ada ego kan, siapa-siapa akan ada feeling terasa koyak. I know everyone have feelings.
Can we mention names? Alah, tidak boleh.
Oh!
Never mind.
You can say the nickname. Can we still censor it out?
For me, yeah, something like that. Sometimes, yeah, people ego is higher than this one.
Ya, mentang-mentang benda boleh kasi settle dalam sekejap tempoh yang masa yang
Short
kecil
period,
saja.
yeah.
Tapi dikasih panjangkan pula.
Dia nak buat cerita lah tu. Sebenarnya.
Nyawa novel kali.
Like, you know those K-drama that got like 13 seasons
Oh my
and
god.
8 episodes per season. Type shit.
Type shit.
Yeah, type shit.
So put down your ego first.
Exactly.
I mean like okay, ego sometimes if your ego is higher than your brain punya stimulate to stimulate your resolving punya mechanism, you are very hard to resolve something, faham tak?
Yeah,
If your ego is higher. So macam okay, never mind, just put your ego down first and then you resolve that thing, baru kau ego balik.
So namanya ego lagi.
Ya, apa ego balik.
Mr. Ego.
Oh, actually you know what? This is low-key something I was like sedar diri tu. When I first came in, right, I was too
Came in,
like
Oh,
this
okay.
university. I was too overconfident with myself.
but that's
Because-
not a good thing ke macam mana?
No, for me it's like it's not really a good thing, you know.
Why?
Because kau akan jadi bossful. Like you feel like
Bossy.
oh saya lah yang paling hebat. Macam tu. I also don't know why I was so like overconfident back then. Probably because like my SPM result, I thought it was good. Until I realized, okay, you know what, there's someone better than me. And being too overconfident, right? Actually, it's like like you so good at everything already kan, you're not gonna put effort into it anymore.
Yeah, it doesn't give you a boost of morale.
Yeah, and like you probably be like, I'm good at it already, so why I need to
Why would I need to belajar?
study and all that thing, right? And then last when the result came out, I was like, okay.
Dia macam sombong lah macam tu.
Yeah, it's like you sombong because like you think that you're a Mr. Know-it-all type. Yeah, true. What? Then I was like,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
you know what? Actually, there are other people better than me. It's like, damn. But I'm not doing that anymore.
Yeah lah, that's why lah. You learn something from your
Yeah.
mistakes.
Yeah, exactly.
Not everyone is perfect though in this world.
Yeah. Kecuali Tuhan.
Oh my god.
Yeah, correct. Everyone make mistakes. So
Ano lah, all one mistake also. Alah, tadi ingat satu tapi apa lah? Pasal time sekolah menengah lah. Sekolah menengah. Dulu pun saya pun macam 9 juga.
Really?
Overconfident.
Oh.
This is basically after my UPSR when I actually not saying boasted. I was so overconfident that I might survive high school, but I did survive. But it's struggling lah juga. Like after UPSR, I entered high school, and then high school punya era during tingkatan 1, like before starting I was like thinking, alah, I'm busy UPSR. I can just slack off for a while.
Exactly.
These subjects could be easier because it's up to my level already. Tapi sekarang tengoknya, apa tu, grade saya macam lintang butang.
Yeah.
And I was like, wait,
Damn.
macam damn. I'm like, is this how it feels like when I'm so overconfident? Then kena tell by my mom. Siapa suruh kau overconfident betul? Bilang boleh kena survive sekolah menengah. Masih bilang, ya mak, sorry, salah. My bad. Terlampau overconfident saya tadi. Tahan itu. Then I was like learning from this mistake. I was like saying like, yeah, I can't do this. I need to like study like to keep myself in shape intelligently.
Yeah.
Intelligently in shape.
Exactly.
It's because like kalau tidak belajar macam mana jadi pandai. Ceng.
Betul.
Ah.
Not everyone is. Honestly, I think that knowledge is something that you must train
Yes.
and you must like keep up and maintain. You know, it's not something like talent, like singing or dancing. But then
That is-
even so, right? Singing and dancing
it's a talent.
is a talent, but you can still practice more to be more perfect. What?
But for me, it's like, okay, talent is a naturally thing in your human-made thing, you know. It's
Human-made thing.
it's a original in yourself already. So for me, no need any plug-in. You know what I mean?
Plug in.
Yeah, I mean like you don't need to. I mean, okay, you need to gain better knowledge for that kind of talent. But
okay, saya
that is
faham.
Uh-huh.
the thing that already ready-made for you.
Yeah.
Wow, pre-made, bro.
Remake.
Ah.
Buat apa mau top up lagi?
Yes. So
okay.
however you do, whatever you do, it's already that is your talent, you know.
Yeah.
So for me, no need any plug-in, no need any external or additional. I mean, like you can gain any additional knowledge or skills, tips, but yeah, that was, you know, it's already good for you because you have a ready-made skill.
Ya, memang sudah it's not like saying that memang professional, but you are gifted with that talent.
Yes, gifted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but it's not the same as like gaining not intellectual knowledge, but like intellectual knowledge lah.
Yeah.
It's different though. Like,
EQ and IQ is different things.
yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Also, I regret not studying offset
Yeah.
because of my overconfident
Yeah,
attitude.
If not, I could have been the doctor by now.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Damn it.
Ini semua semua sebab malas.
Okay, one more thing. Okay, did you guys aware that during your secondary school and universities, I'm very regret because I didn't do the best for my secondary school. Because why? Okay, we know that some people are in international school but for me, if we are in in Malaysia we are using SMK, like government school. So I don't think every people will appreciate that time, you know. I mean like bukan not appreciate, but they are bukan buat betul-betul in that time, in that kind of time. Sebab okay, you are learning something for free and you are not paying for anything. Tapi when you are getting to the university already, you need to pay every single things. So masa tu lah yang kau rasa betul-betul duit tu is a big meaning for you. So macam okay, it's a mistakes. Never mind, mistakes can motivate me something that okay, tidak apa, mungkin I can motivate other people so that other people don't do the same thing with me.
Yes. Betul. Ya, kalau dulu kan saya pun terfikir dulu, kenapa lah tidak. Dulu pun tidak bayar apa-apa kecuali membayar buku, macam mau beli buku latihan. Begitu semua tu
Pen.
But not expensive than secondary school kan. I mean like
dah sampai
university.
beribu-ribu lah. Tapi boleh sampai juga lah. Tapi not like it doesn't accumulate much as well as the same level as you're entering university.
But especially private university.
Betul.
So you can feel that money is going around, you know.
Exactly. Because like, you know, even in like secondary school, you probably max like spend 500 per month for like everything you need though. And then now it's like 500 per week.
Yeah, times 4. Okay.
Yeah,
That is the basic things in
Exactly.
lagi-lagi in Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah, exactly. Like so expensive, man.
One day you need
live here and shit.
at least 40 ringgit for your only for your foods.
Especially us Borneos who are actually far from home, lagi lah perlukan duit lagi.
Yeah.
Mau bayar tiket lagi balik, itu lagi apa. Especially kalau mau beli tiket time cuti, di situlah menyanyi kita. Satu tiket berapa? 500-600.
And that's for one way.
One way only, no round trip. Oh my god.
So the motivation here is we need to appreciate and don't do the same mistakes
Ever again.
Yes.
What was the mistake that we were talking about?
We completely lost track.
Yeah, like what was the mistake we were
Okay.
talking about?
Sebab tu lah everything that you cakap tu adalah mistakes. I very regret on my secondary school semasa tidak belajar betul-betul. So itu adalah mistakes.
Tapi I low-key think like I did quite well in secondary school.
Okay.
At least I was above average though.
Yalah.
For me, I don't think for me, I think I ngam dekat average saja. I cannot be better than that when I was in high school.
I can
Sadly.
conclude my result is better than before the exam in my secondary school. That is the best result that I can give that time.
Then my SPM result was better than my trial SPM.
That's what I mean.
Betul.
Then what I mean?
Okay.
Nah, what I mean. Kau tanya sebentar.
Tanya sebentar.
Okay lah, I think that's all for this episode though.
Yeah.
Sangat political kan?
Political.
Yeah. Macam hati-hati, curhat ke ni?
Oh my god.
I
Okay.
think we jumpa
See you.
Alright.
next episode.
See you on the next episode.
Yeah, always pula.
Hey.
Always stay tuned on our newly updated episodes every weeks.
Yes.
Not every weeks, every week.
Yeah, see, learn. I thought about
Yes, mistake.
I teach him about this, you know. He was
Yes.
asking me, is it every weeks or every week? I'm like, why would you say every weeks? It's like saying it every days. You know, like every month, every years.
So conclusion for this episode is learn from mistake.
Yeah.
Yes.
Learn from your mistake, but never repeat your mistake.
Ah. lah, tanya husband kau.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah, and maybe
Okay.
comment some of your mistakes that you guys can you could have like learned in the past, like any
Motivation.
past mistakes that makes you motivate yourself as well.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So,
So yeah. So see you at in the next episode of Sembang Culture.
bye.
Bye bye.
Have a good night, guys. I know now is not the night time, but we will post this video at the night time.
Yeah. Biasanya sekarang di Sabah pun gelap sudah.
Now is
At
7
Borneo
already.
it's already gelap already.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Have a nice day.